Hi, I'm Ryan with Michigan Truck Spring, truckspring.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about ball mounts. Ball mounts are the connection between your trailer and your tow vehicle, and choosing the right setup can mean that your towing will be safe and the trailer will handle predictably. In this video, I'll go through the different ball mount options that are available and how to choose between them. Ball mounts are separated into classes to standardize the weight capacities and the sizing of the receiver hitches. Class 1 and 2 ball mounts are normally grouped together as they have matching measurements, but the weight capacities between them are a little different. Both will have a 1 1/4 receiver shank size and a 3/4 inch ball hole size. Class 1 will have 2,000 pounds max gross trailer weight rating with a 200 pound tongue weight rating. This one, like I have on the counter, is a Class 2, which will have a 3,500 pound gross trailer weight rating and a 350 pound tongue weight rating. Both of these styles are weight carrying, which means they can't use weight distribution and they'll bear the entire weight of the trailer tongue, and they're typically used for small trailers. Starting with a Class 3 ball mount like the one on the table, you can use a weight distribution system. This will more evenly distribute weight between the trailer and the tow vehicle axles, and it'll allow you to carry additional weight on the same hitch and ball mount setup. Class 3 and 4 ball mounts are normally grouped together as they have matching measurements, but the weight capacities will be different. 3 and 4 will both have 2-inch receiver shank sizes and a 1-inch ball hole size. Class 3 will have a 6,000 pound gross trailer weight max and a 600 pound tongue weight max. With weight distribution, they will have a 10,000 pound trailer weight max with a 1,000 pound tongue weight max. Class 4 will have a 10,000 pound trailer weight max with a 1,000 pound tongue weight max, unless you use weight distribution, and it'll take you up to 14,000 pound max gross trailer weight and 1,400 pound tongue weight. Class 3 and 4 typically used for large campers and utility trailers. Class 5 ball mounts, like the one I have on the table, are all on their own. They offer the highest capacities for receiver type hitches. After this, you'll end up moving to a fifth wheel or a gooseneck hitch. Class 5 ball mounts have a 2.5 receiver shank with an option for a 3-inch. They normally have a 12,000 pound gross trailer weight rating and a 1,200 pound max tongue weight, up to 18,000 pound trailer weight with 1,800 pounds tongue weight when using weight distribution. Some of the 3-inch options will be higher than that, so when you're shopping, please check the specs before you order. These will typically be used with really heavy trailers, heavy equipment trailers, or extremely large campers. Ball mounts are available in different materials and different coatings to suit the environment they will be used in. Steel is the standard material that most ball mounts are made from. Steel ball mounts are reliable and the most cost-effective option. They may be hollow shank like this or solid shank like this. Fabricated steel ball mounts will be welded together, as you can see on this part, and both of these have a powder coat finish. Powder coat is a layer of plastic powder that is applied using a static charge and baked on to leave a smooth and sealed coating. Powder coat is tough and helps the ball mount resist corrosion. Another coating option for fabricated ball mounts is zinc. Zinc is a metal applied to the outer surface of the hitch by dipping it in molten zinc. This coating is extremely durable and highly resistant to corrosion. Zinc coatings can be costlier, and this may be reflected in the price of the hitch. Another construction option for ball mounts are a solid forged ball mount. Solid forged ball mounts like this are forged as one piece and there will be no welds. They're used in heavier applications and they have a solid shank or an I-beam style like this. This mount is also powder coated, but you do have an option for aluminum solid forged ball mounts, which will be lighter weight and naturally resistant to rust. Once you know what class the receiver hitch on your vehicle is, you can move on to selecting the length and the rise and the drop of the ball mount. The rise and drop measurements on the ball mount will tell you where it will position your hitch ball relative to the height of your receiver hitch. The length measurement, measured from the center of the pinhole to the center of the ball hole, will give you the length of protrusion from your hitch. To measure for rise and drop, you take a measurement from the trailer coupler with the trailer leveled and sitting on level ground. This is your coupler height. In our example, the coupler height is 10 inches. You then will measure from the top of your vehicle hitch to the ground. This is your hitch height. In our example, the hitch height is 19 inches. You subtract the hitch height from the trailer coupler height, and if your number ends up negative, you'll need a drop hitch of that height. If your number is positive, you will need a raised hitch of that height. In our example, 10 minus 19 leaves us with negative 9, which means we will need a 9-inch drop hitch for our application. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has explained to you which ball mount option will be correct for your application. If you still have questions, feel free to reach out to us at truckspring.com or give us a call at 1-800-358-4751.